Welcome to Tech Wings. This is Vardhan. Today I'm going to talk about a USB hub that I bought for my MacBook Air. This is from Alogic brand. We are going to just unbox this. So this is the Alogic 6-in-1 hub with 4K Ultra HD support. I got this for around $120 in Australia, which is around 6,000 rupees. It's a little expensive, but it's worth it. So you can see in the back it's written as Fusion Max USB-C 6-in-1 hub, and on the side it says Alogic, and it just says Fusion Max USB-C 6-in-1 hub. The same thing is written in different languages, in Dutch and Japanese and other languages. So if you look at the other side of the box, it just says designed in Australia, but I think this is made in China. But yeah, of course it was designed in China, in Australia. And on the other side you can see the features, like what are the ports that you have on this particular product. It comes with RJ45, HDMI, VGA USB-A, and it also has got a power delivery plus data, so which means that you can connect a USB-C power adapter to this, and that should ideally when you connect this USB hub to your USB-C enabled laptop, it should charge your laptop by itself, so you don't need to connect a separate charger for your laptop. That's really very nice. So I would say, guys, whenever you are looking to buy any USB hub or a dock, always look for a dock which has got power delivery support, so that you can reduce the number of cables. You can just connect the power cable to the USB-C power delivery port, and then from there, when you connect this device to your laptop, it takes all the outputs as well as send the charging to the laptop, so that your laptop also will get charged side by side. This looks pretty decent actually. This is not a very heavy one, it's a lightweight one, because usually if you look at any Microsoft docks or anything, they are very heavy, and mostly they are used in office. Whenever you go to your office desk, most of offices today have these Microsoft docks, which looks very heavy actually. But I think for me, for my home use, this is enough. So inside the box we got some paperwork. It just says welcome to Alogic in different languages, again German, etc. etc. So it's a quick start guide. And what you have inside, let's look at the specifications, if it's given somewhere. Where are the specifications? Let's look at the specifications. It just has some note. Okay, here are the specifications. So as I said, the upstream you have one USB-C, and the downstream you got one HDMI, one VGA, and two USB-C, and it also got one general 5 Gbps with power delivery 100 watts and two USB-A ports. That's very nice, and it has got RJ45 Gigabit Ethernet cable, so you can directly connect your Ethernet to the dock, and your laptop will be Ethernet enabled. So that it means that you should have a pretty good quality of internet, and it comes with 2 years warranty, guys, so that's nice. So any dock that has got a RJ45 jack is really good, because you can connect a wide connection, so that you will not have any loss of data while browsing the internet. It looks the internet will be very fast. So this is the device itself. So you can look, I mean, the build quality and everything seems to be nice. Let's look at the cable. The cable is also it's not a very lengthy cable, guys, so I think you will have to put it very close to your laptop. You can see the Alogic branding over here, but as I said, it's not a very lengthy cable. That's one thing you'll have to mind. Apart from that, the build quality and everything looks good. It says Alogic on one side, and the other side it just simply says designed in Australia and made in China, which is good. and nothing else here. And the other side, it's a plastic. Actually, I was thinking it's some metallic thing, but it's not metallic. It's a plastic body, guys. And you have RJ45 jack, as I said, and one HDMI which supports 4K output, and then you have two USB A ports, so that is nice. And this is the light indicator. The moment you connect any power, there is a power. This is the power delivery jack, so you'll have to connect a USB-C charger to this, and just connect this dock to your laptop. It should charge your laptop as well as give you the output of your HDMI, which is connecting to the monitor. So let me connect this to the monitor quickly and show you how it is. I think it is going to give a good delivery output because it has a 4K support, so it should not be a problem. And you also have a VGA, so if you can connect to your older monitor. So you can see now I've connected my I've connected my monitor with the HDMI cable, and I'm really happy with this. So that's it for today, guys. And in case if you have any questions, please write in your comments, and please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.